and Jimmy Buffett tee. I am for sure gonna bring my new swimsuit. I have like my dive gear and then all my wetsuits, both of our fins. I feel like I have to be forgetting something. Hey guys, today we're gonna pack together for the Keys. I think most people think I live in the Keys, but I actually don't. I live 2 hours north in Palm Beach County, and then my grandparents live in the Keys. Since it's only 2 hours though, I am literally always there. And since I'm always there, I'm kind of an expert at packing, so I figured I would just take you guys along with me. No matter how many times I pack, I always write a list just to make sure I don't forget anything, or else my brain is just too crazy. Here is where our closet is. Normally all I ever wear is t-shirts, so I'm gonna grab my favorites. This is a go-to. And Jimmy Buffett tee is also another go-to, so we'll just bring those two. Then I try to get like a cute tank top, just in case I'm not feeling like the t-shirt bag. At this point, honestly, I just pack the same thing. So, usual dolphin t-shirt. And I recently just found this Old Navy tank top that's been shoved in the back, so I think I'm gonna try to bring that too. I've had this same American Eagle shorts that I wear literally every day. I have them in 2 colors. Unfortunately, they don't make these exact ones anymore, or else I would keep buying the colors, but we're packing both those. And then I need a cute outfit just in case we go somewhere to eat one night. So I think I'm just gonna bring these jean shorts, and then this Princess Polly top. It is a little tight on me, but it's so cute. I have like the largest selection of hoodies, but I always limit myself to just one. So let's figure out what we're packing this week. I've been loving a good zip up there because it's easy to just put over a bikini, so I think I'm gonna do this cute one from Olive Lynn. I almost forgot my jammies. I recently turned into a matching set girl, so I have my favorite pair from Target. They're like the super soft ones that everyone has, but they just came out with this new print that's like a pinstripe, and I love these. In my office room, I have my nice swimsuit bin that's filled with swimsuits. I recently bought it because I needed actual like big space for my swimsuits, and I've already basically outgrown this one. I am for sure gonna bring my new swimsuit from Olive Lynn. This is also a new one from Triangle that I haven't worn yet. I always love a good one piece, and one of my favorites is from Sunbleached. Honestly, it doesn't really matter what I pack because I'm just gonna put on a wetsuit over everything. Oh, this is always the hardest part. Another Triangle one. And I want to finish it up with maybe like 2 cute Kalani ones. This is a good one. Yeah, I guess we can just do this one. Don't look at my plant. I really need to water it. Right next to my swimsuits is where I keep my fun rack, where I have like my dive gear and then all my wetsuits. I think the wetsuits I'm bringing are actually outside right now, but I'm gonna grab my mask. This is the one Austin uses, and then this is my mask. Usually the towel dresses are hanging up right there, but right now they're just folded to the side. So here's Austin's towel dress and then my towel dress. And now that we have a giant mess on the bed, we can try to start to organize some of it. For my swimsuits, I'm just gonna throw this into the Triangle bag. I'd probably be more orderly if this was like an important trip, but since I already know everything's gonna fit, we just chuck it all into the bag. I just started a whole skincare routine, and before I used like, I don't know, I would wash my face and use a little bit of oil and be done with it. But now I have like a million products. So I think I'm gonna try to shove all these into another Triangle bag. The only thing I'm worried about is this oil cleanser, which I love, so I really want to bring it, but there's like no shut off mode. So I'm scared that it's just gonna leak over everything. This one though has a little stopper. I think that should be, oh, almost. Yep, the perfect fit. Oh. Then I just have my usual makeup bag. I keep that always packed. I can't forget my hairbrush. So gross. This is probably the most important thing of everything. I always have this little baggie packed with a ton of hair ties in it, because my favorite hairstyle is to put like 5 hair ties in my tie, and sometimes I take them out and then I forget them in a random place. So we always need extras. That bag is 1,000,000 pounds. Now let's get the rest of the dive stuff. We keep most of like our dive gear outside in this like little outdoor trunk. The wetsuits we both wear have been drying since the last time we were in the Keys, so we can just grab those and repack them. And then I have both of our fins. We have the same kind in different sizes. And then last up, I just have the paddleboard anchor. The paddleboard is already in the car, and then Hurley's little life jacket, which he just got up because he loves this thing. It means that he's going to go play in the water. For the dive gear, I just used this giant bag, and recently has a huge hole in the bottom because our dive gear was just too heavy one day, but it still works. That's exhausting. Can't forget about Hurley. This is his bag. Hi, heroes. Hurley, come here. Want your bag? He gets so excited whenever I bring this out because it means that he's coming too. And it's got his name on it, which is why we've made it Hurley's bag. For this, I already have some pre-packed balls in here. And then I tried to grab like 2 toys he likes to play with. So we'll grab the manatee, his little turtle. And then he always loves like little toys like this. So this is his little fish. And then for technology, I just pack everything in my backpack. Obviously, for starters, I have the GoPro 12, which is what I film all my videos on. And then I just have the case for that. I have my 2 underwater flashlights that I bring. Some Marie Safe sunscreen in here. This waterproof bag that I like to throw on the paddleboard. And I can't figure out the best way to get it back in the case, but I just got a drone. So I'm really excited to bring that. That's gonna be new on the equipment list. Honestly, I think that's everything. I'm trying to think, like I feel like I have to be forgetting something. Thank you so much for packing with me. I love going to the Keys. I'm so excited. This time I'm going to pick up my boat and bring it back here, so it's gonna be a fun trip. I'll see you guys next time.